Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is Mr. Mason on Hey Mr. Mason's page. I was told I need to do an introduction to each one of my videos. So this video is specifically on how to complete module 1, lesson 1. Some of us are having a tough time, and it is a two-part thing. So I'm going to go through. While this is loading up, you see I'm wearing my Ravens. This represents your team day, so shout out to the Ravens. And all right, so I'm going down to, and I'm logged in as a student again, so you guys can see it from your view. I'm looking for module 4, lesson 1, part 1. And if you see it, it's quite a few different parts. So you have the link here. You have the handout that they're requesting you to refer back to. There's a Notice and Wonder chart form, and then I'm going to show you how to create the notes-taking document for you, and we'll go through step by step. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is open up this assignment, view the assignment. All right. Now, I also will put some class notes here, make sure that everything is clear. So here is the PDF. So this is handout 1A, which it refers to several times. It refers back to this handout, but it's also read aloud in the video. You must watch the video. The link is here. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and click the link. So first thing you're doing is opening the link, and you gotta accept that. Hit OK, and it'll play. Now, keep that open in another tab because it's going to also tell you need to take notes. Looks like there's a notes already up here. I'm going to just add another note. I'm going to go to add or create, and I'm on a desktop as well. Give it a second to create, and it's going to name it. Click on the button, and it's going to bring up this Google Doc. This Google Doc is yours. You can treat it just like your notepad. So I can type anything here. You can also copy and paste. You can add pictures, whatever you need to do in order to keep your information together. But this should be a notes. This should be your notes page. All right, and every time you hit a button, as you can see right here, it's going to save it. Every time I hit a button, it's going to save my work. So this is a very secure way to complete your assignments. And then all you have to do, once you're done, is close it out. And when you hit turn in, then I'll be able to see that assignment with all the different parts. Now, before you're done with this module 4, lesson 1, you have to complete the Notice and Wonder chart. They talk about the Notice and Wonder chart around in about 17 minutes in that video of the lesson. But here is the Notice and Wonder chart, so I can make it a little bigger. Yeah, there you go. All right, so Notice and Wonder chart, the lesson title. Refer back to the lesson. What is the lesson title? You're going to type your name, and you are going to put your notices and wonders. You need to put at least 2. It's mandatory, because if it has a little star there, it's mandatory. But then I added a third one in case you have any additional notices or wonders. And then you click submit. After you click submit, I'm not going to click submit on his, but after you click submit, you'll be able to see what your classmates also responded. And then we'll go over that. I'll do another video to follow up on just what your responses for this Notice and Wonder were. Once you have completed all these parts, you are just going to hit turn in. I want to see your notes. So I want to see, in the video, they talk about take notes at around 3 minutes and 40 seconds. There's a definition that needs to be in your notes. There's a timeline that you have to create at around 6 minutes. And again, I'm referring to this link. I'm referring to this video here. So around 6 minutes, you're going to have to draw a timeline. Let me show you how to draw a timeline. I'm going back over to my document. And I can type anything here. I can also draw stuff here. So let me fix the size of this. And I want to, you can insert a horizontal line. You can do it as a table. It's up to you. You can draw. So all of these different tools are right here. We've learned how to use these in class. So just play around with them, but it is going to ask you to draw a timeline. And then again, I said at the 17-minute mark, it's going to ask you to do a notice and wonder chart based on the documentary around Nelson Mandela. And hopefully we can have a rich conversation around that. There is one other thing I'm looking for in your notes, and that is a vocabulary word at 15 minutes. It's going to tell you about a vocabulary word. Watch the videos. Some of you are just clicking turn in. That is not going to assist you with completing the different parts of the assignments. If you need any help, you can always message me. Private comments go here. If you have something that you want to say to your entire class, you can put it here. You can also put your notices and wonders here in addition to putting them there. But anything else, just let me know. Hey, Mr. Mason at Gmail, IG, Class Dojo, whatever you need. All right, talk to you guys soon. Peace.